The child dependent visa application is for children that wish to accompany or join their parents to live in the UK. The type of application to be made depends entirely on whether the child was born outside of the UK, whether they are under or over 18, and what type of leave their parents have if the child was born outside of the UK. The following requirements must be met. Both the parents must be lawfully present in the UK, not a visitor, or both parents must be granted entry clearance or leave to remain at the same time as the child, or one parent must be lawfully present in the UK, not a visitor, and the other parent must be granted entry clearance or leave to remain at the same time as the child. If only one parent is in the UK and the other is not being granted entry clearance or leave to remain at the same time as the child, then it must be shown that the sponsoring parent that is lawfully present in the UK is the sole surviving parent, or has the sole responsibility of the child's upbringing, or has serious or compelling family or other conditions which would make it undesirable to refuse the application, has a child under the age of 18 on the date of application that is not married, in a civil partnership or living an independent life, and must be able to provide adequate maintenance and accommodation for the child without recourse to UK public funds. To prove that you have sole responsibility of the child as the sponsoring parent, you must show that he or she has been solely responsible for the parental care over the child for a substantial period. If it is the case that you were separated from the child, it must be shown that the child has been in the care of your relatives rather than the relative of the other parent. Factors that will be considered in assessing sole responsibility: whether the parents are married or in a civil partnership. If the marriage or civil partnership is dissolved, which parent was awarded legal custody? If the sponsoring parent has migrated to the UK, how long have they been separated from the child and what relationship they have with the child? If the sponsoring parent has migrated to the UK, the nature of the child's care arrangements before and after they migrated. Who bears the child's maintenance costs and at what proportion? Who makes the important decisions about the child's upbringing, for example, where the child lives, which school they attend, etc. Moreover, factors such as whether there are emotional and/or physical factors relating to the sponsoring parent in the UK, whether there are mental or physical incapability of the non-sponsoring parent will also be considered. How can NA Law help? We have a team of highly experienced solicitors, so please do get in touch.